Hey YouTube, what do you think of a garage video? Let's move the car. We'll be in the garage changing inner tube, and I guess you guys will just see time lapse, and we'll see if something funny happens.
Being on some chill, we go 0 to 100 real quick. They be on that rap to pay the bills, and I don't feel it, not even a little bit. Oh Lord, know yourself, know your worth. My actions being louder than my words.
Okay. Next we gotta get this side off on the same side that we just got off. Undo the valve stem. Once you got that, push it through. Oh, that's the wrong one. There we go. Once you got that through, now you can take your inner tube out. God, this thing's disgusting. There we go. Yes!
How you so high but still so down to earth? Wanna do it, we can do it on the turf. Oh Lord.
Okay. I just stole burritos from Chipotle. Come on!
Shout out to the I holding down the set.
I don't even think we need those anymore. Now once you got that, pull the rim out of the tire. Yes, I'm pretty proud of that. So I'll clean this all up and we'll see you when I'm done with that. So I've cleaned the tire as good as soap and water is gonna get it, or as good as I'm gonna try to get it with soap and water. And then this cool stuff says specifically, do not use on motorcycles. But that's baloney. It says that, well, you see the tire's bald, so I think I'm just gonna go rip around once I get it all back together. And I don't know, wear all the slicky stuff off. We'll see what happens. Yeah, it's disgusting. You hear what's in it? It's from Tate and I trying to like fix it with like foam or slime. Oh wow. And this was the tire band. It's disgusting now.
So you're replacing that too?
Probably just with duct tape. They say you can do that.
Oh, okay.
My hands are gross.
My hands are already gross.
So I have a before and after. But this looks clean enough to me. Double check I have the right size tire, because if not, you're gonna watch me hang myself with this. That looks right. That looks good enough. I don't know why the tube's that fat.
Yeah,
That looks pretty fat. I don't.
it's gotta be thick though.
Por qué? Es mi mochila.
Everybody likes it thick.
Everybody likes it thick. Quote Tim.
Does it say the size on here?
It should. I'm doing this right now, Tim. Ow! So we got a. Oh, this is a 90 by 90 16 or an 80 by 100 16.
This just says 16p.
Oh gosh. What's that mean, Tim?
I don't know.
What's that mean, Tim?
Those are the only numbers I see.
Well, we just pop that thing in there and then that looks like it'll fit. So looks like we live another day. So we got the tire. It's pretty slick. I think I know why. It's not supposed to be used on motorcycles, but this isn't a motorcycle. It's a dirt bike. Not the same thing.
Yep, very different.
So we'll dry it off and put it back on. We could use this, but it's older than me, so we're just gonna duct tape. Now, is duct tape the whole size of the rim, or stop it? No, we're just gonna use half. We're about yay big.
If I ain't the greatest, then I'm headed for it. Yeah, that mean I'm way up. Yeah, the 6 ain't friendly, but that's where I lay up. I'm up, lay up. I been Steph Curry with the shot, been cooking with the sauce, Chef Curry with the pot, boy.
Okay. And there you go.
What's next?
Next, we put on the tire and the inner tube. Look at how much duct tape was wasted in this. In the arms of the angels. Oh. Oh, okay. Tim, you don't have to pick it up. It's okay. But it's fun.
Yeah.
We're gonna make sure that's all stuck down. Should I clickbait it? How to change a dirt bike tire, even though not even I know?
Yeah.
Therefore, that's
You get lots of views that way.
get a ton of views. Because people come here to actually learn something, and then they realize this guy doesn't know what he's doing. Now we start
I'm the rookie and the vet. Shout out to the I holding down the set. All up in my phone looking at pictures from the other night. She gon' be upset if she keep scrolling to the left, dog. She gon' see some that she don't wanna see. She ain't ready for it. If I ain't the greatest, then I'm headed for it. Yeah, that mean I'm way up. Yeah, the 6 ain't friendly, but that's where I lay up.
Spanish is for Mexicans.
Oh my God, Tim, you're such a Trump supporter.
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah. Uh-oh. Maybe duct tape wasn't such a good idea, Tim.
Can you not poke a hole?
No, I got a hole. But then this, trying to get through the duct tape. Oh. Nice. Now we just tuck
Where's the air pump?
over there by the Mexican mowers.
What?
The lawn mowers.
Oh, I see it.
But we did get it, and that's all that matters.
Roll it down the street.
Roll the tire down the street.
Yeah.
That looks good though. And load. Get the dust off. Gas on.
Oh yeah.
She's right there.
Is it not like above first?
Yeah, it's the same spot. It's just, you gotta feel it. You gotta feel it. Look at that. We still got more things to do.
I gotta fix the this peg. It's not there.
But I have almost a full quart of 2-stroke gas
yes.
mix, and this is what I put the gas and oil in.
Yes, dude. I'll take it.
Yeah, because I don't want to.
Unless you're not giving it to me and you're just telling me.
You can
Right.
have it.
Cool.
Yeah.
Look how clean it is.
Yeah, it looks good now.
I just did a quick 0 to 60 down the street.
Really?
I think I'm a turbo it.
Turbo it? Yeah.
Dude, I can do a good Michael impression. You know, here's the thing. Isn't that good?
Yeah, it's good.